All About My Home by Paula. Table of Contents: Introduction, TV room, dining room, kitchen, living room, glossary and index, conclusion, and about the author. Introduction. Do you know what a koto is? It is a place to live with guards to take care of you. I live in a koto at Las Colomos. Chapter 1. TV room. In the TV room, we see TV. We also eat popcorn. Well, we eat things of the kitchen sometimes. We play Wii is in the TV. We also talk when we see TV because when we don't understand one part, we say to my mom and dad. Chapter 2. Dining room. In the dining room, we eat, talk to our family, and do meetings with our family. Fun fact. In Christmas, my elf came and did this mischief. He grabbed a thread and a toy that we had. Chapter 4. Kitchen. In the kitchen, we cook things like popcorn, soup, and meat, cookies and cake, and some chilaquiles and molletes. We do food of all places, but also Mexican. Living room. In the living room, we say things, we play sometimes. We always sit and we eat, and we give presents. Glossary. Guards. Guards are like police, but they take care of you. Meat is like fish, but more strong. Meetings is like talk in private. We is a video game, but it is a good one. And then the index has guards, meetings, and we. Last page is about the author. Paula Villaseñor Medina Harvey was born on April 20th of 2011 in Guadalajara, Jalisco. She loves dogs, horses, and drawings. She is 7 years old, almost 8.